This is the Red Pepper waterproof case for iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it says at the back, Red Pepper case, snowproof, waterproof, dirtproof, and shockproof. Surprise! Inside the box, you'll see the case and some facts. Let's pop it open. That's an available lanyard. Waterproof case, important reminder. Common instructions. Let's just put it to the test. Let's put a little bit of sound. Start it off. Right.
Hello! I'm James from James Bagsik Videos. And yes, the phone was dry during the filming of this video. Oh yeah! Always dry. Never wet, always dry. Yeah! So I recommend the Red Pepper waterproof case. It saves you from the wetness. Hooray! See you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.
Where they chase for the D.O. I feel blessed to express like a C.O. scholar. Gotta be some light in all this evil. There's gotta be some good in this thing we call people. But I won't lie, I want nice things too. I just...
Put it in. Make sure it's snug and fit.